Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll install BONOSS wheel spacers for this Honda Accord. So should I choose this 20mm wheel spacers or 25mm? The matching wheel studs on the wheel spacers are made of forged SCM 440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistance, structure stability, fewer harmful elements, and fewer surface defects. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. The matching lug nuts applied 40 chrome material, which adheres to the ISO standard grade 10. Each of the matching wheel studs or wheel nuts have unique BONOSS engraved, which proves that the source of the products can be traced. Compared with others, BONOSS has a professional factory to ensure the quality of BONOSS wheel spacers. So that's all for today's video. Which size would you like to choose, 20mm or 25mm wheel spacers? Please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.